In this video tutorial, I'm gonna be teaching you how to convert, install and run PlayStation 2 games on your PlayStation 5. Stay tuned. What's up guys? Welcome back to Dextech Pro. There is something timeless about PlayStation 2 games. No matter how much gaming evolves, these classics still hold a special place in our hearts. I know they do for me at least. Now, here is the great news. Your PlayStation 5 isn't just a powerhouse for next-gen titles. It can also revive those unforgettable PS2 experiences in a brand new way. Bringing PlayStation 2 games to life on modern hardware lets you enjoy the nostalgia with upgraded performance. It's the best of both worlds. Whether you're revising legendary moments or discovering PlayStation 2 gems for the first time, this process keeps retro gaming alive while adapting it for today's tech. And in this video tutorial, I'm gonna be guiding you through these steps to convert, install and run PlayStation 2 games on your PlayStation 5. The method is totally straightforward, guys. All you need to do is follow my lead step by step. Okay, cut to the chase. First thing first. We need an emulator that transforms PlayStation 2 games into PlayStation 5 compatible versions. Then it can be installed and run on PlayStation 5. Right-click on the PS2 FPKG file and run it as administrator. I'll put the download link in the description below this video. This is the user interface of the PS2 FPKG emulator, which has several tabs and options that I'm gonna just cover all of them in this video tutorial. In the Graphic tab, click Select to browse for PS2 game. I have Tekken 5 for this video tutorial. If your games come with multiple discs, you can add up to 5 discs by changing the number from here and adding them to the emulator respectively. The emulator option in the PS2 FPKG app lets you choose how the PS2 game will be emulated on your PlayStation 5. Different emulators offer various levels of compatibility and performance for different games. You've got 2 choices here. Selecting the right one might depend on the specific game you're converting. So if one doesn't work well, you can try another one. It's about finding the best match for your game. The Reset on Disk Change option refers to how the emulator handles multi-disc PS2 games. When enabled, it resets the emulator for multiple discs, which can be helpful in games that require you to swap discs during gameplay. Actually, it'll do it automatically. Since my game comes with only one disc, I disabled this option. You can add a picture as an icon for your game using this option as well. And also, you can add a splash screen, both in PNG format. You can leave NP title alone. You also have the title field to name your game, which I leave it as it is. Now, in the Configs and Fixes tab, there are some features as you can see. These options customize the game to work better on PlayStation 5. TXT Lua config allows you to select custom configuration files for the game. These can tweak various game settings for compatibility or performance. In auto-add config, options like TXT, Lua, and PS3 config allow the app to automatically add specific settings for your game, affecting graphics, controls, or other gameplay aspects. Try to fix graphics. Attempts to correct any graphical issues that might occur when converting the game. Try to improve speed. Optimizes performance to make the game run smoother on the PlayStation 5. Disable MTVU. MTVU refers to a multi-threaded micro VU1 option in emulators, which can sometimes cause issues, so disabling it might fix certain problems. Disable instant VIF1 transfer. This is a compatibility option to address issues with certain games that use VIF1 transfer used in PlayStation 2's graphic processing. So I leave them all as default and move on to the Graphic tab. These settings let you customize the game's visuals to your liking. Up-renderer. It changes the internal resolution of the game. A higher settings improves clarity but may impact performance. Upscale. Upscale enhances the game's graphics. Options like Edge smooth out jagged edges, while others sharpen the image. Display mode. Display mode controls how the game is displayed on your screen. Full likely scales the image to fit, while other options might maintain the original aspect ratio. Shader. Shader adds post-processing effects to the game's visuals. None here means no extra effects are applied. Overlay. Overlay is an additional visual layer. None here means no overlay, but other options might add scan lines or effects. Add widescreen patches. This option tries to force the game to display in widescreen format. Not all games are compatible with this option, guys, so it might not work for every title. In the Remote Play tab, basically these features ensure your controls are intuitive and comfortable when playing PlayStation 2 games remotely. This tab lets you configure how PlayStation 2 games will work with Remote Play on a PlayStation Vita or similar devices. Controller image shows a visual of the controller layout to help see how the buttons are mapped for Remote Play. Different layouts affect how the controls feel, so pick the one that should suit you best. Finally, in the MISC tab, there are options that give you more controls over your gaming experience. Memory card. Memory card allows you to import a PlayStation 2 memory card file using previous saved data or creating a new one. Multi-tab. Multi-tab enables or disables multi-tab support, which allows more than 2 players to play certain games. Game volume. Game volume adjusts the volume level of the game, the slide to set the desired volume. Fast forward lets you speed up gameplay, useful for skipping slow sections. And finally, custom light bar colors that allows you to customize the color of the light bar on the PlayStation 5 controller while playing PlayStation 2 games. Okay guys, the surgery of this emulator is finished. My game is added with the custom icon and splash images if you remember. Now I'm all set. So I click on Create FPKG and choose a destination to start the conversion. You gotta wait till it's finished. While converting, there is no completion percentage, so depending on the size of your PlayStation 2 game, the process may take shorter or longer. Okay, the game is converted and here is the file. Plug your USB hard disk drive into your computer and make sure it is formatted with exFAT file system. Then drag and drop the PKG file into it to make a copy. Now unplug the USB HDD and connect it to the USB back port of your PlayStation 5. On your PlayStation 5, go to Settings, Debug Settings, and here's the thing. If you don't have debug settings here, guys, you need to activate it by watching this video tutorial or this video tutorial. Both links are in the description below this video. And before I continue teaching you how to do this, I want you to support my channel with your likes and subscribes for new video tutorials. Okay, go to Settings, Debug Settings, Package Installer, and here is Tekken 5. Press the cross button to install. The game is installed, and if I go back to the dashboard, here it is with the custom icon that I previously added if you remember. So let's fire it up and test if it works fine or not.
The King of Iron Fist Tournament 5. Christy Montero. Get ready for the next battle.
Go easy on me.
I cannot allow you to interfere.
Round 1. Fight!
Okay guys, this is how you can convert, install and play your nostalgic PlayStation 2 games on your brand new PlayStation 5 console. Tell me what's the name of your favorite PlayStation 2 game that you used to play back then in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Subscribe to Dextech Pro YouTube channel.